I used to look at how big companies built their system and think that they were over communicating things. Like, why so many layers? Why so many services? Why so much software for something that could just be simple? Then I hit a problem that changed everything I thought I knew. Hello, I am Abubakar Lukman, the most valuable person in tech. Without me, no tech. Yeah, don't doubt me. So I was building a system. At the time, it was small, maybe 20 users. Everything was in one place, one code base, one database, one server, and it worked beautifully. I was so proud of it because it was clean, fast, and it even made sense. Then the load grew, and I started noticing something. When one part of the system was under pressure, everything else slowed down with it. Like the heavy database query would make the API so slow, and the slow API would make the user experience painful. Just one weak point, and the whole thing felt it. Then I tried to fix it. I optimized the queries, I added caching, I kept throwing more resources at the server, but the problem kept coming on in different forms. Then I started studying how companies like Google, Amazon actually build things. Then I noticed something. They do not build one big thing that does everything. They build many small things that each do one job really well, and those smaller things talk to each other. So when one part is under pressure, only that part slows down. The rest of the system keeps running. You can scale just the part that needs it without touching anything else. That is not about engineering. That is designing for reality. Because in the real world, systems do not stay small. Traffic spikes, features grows, team expand, and the system that was not designed to change break when it has to. So big companies do not build complicated systems because they enjoy complexity. They build them because they have already learned the lesson I learned the hard way. Since that day, I stopped asking why big companies build things in different ways. And I started asking, what do they know that I have not figured out yet? Because it's the architecture that looks like overskills today is that same architecture that survives tomorrow. So build simple, but build with room to grow. Because the system that cannot change with your needs will eventually become the thing holding you back.